How to enable dark mode on Google Sheets. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Sheets. First, go to the web browser and search for Google Sheets. Now open Google Workspace from the given links. Then, click the Sign In button to continue. Next, search for dark mode extension and open the Chrome Web Store. If you don't have it, download it and add to Chrome. Once added, enable the dark mode from the extension bar. It will be activated in Google Sheets. You can enable it through the browser itself. Here, click the three dots icon in the top right corner and select Settings. After that, go to the Appearance tab on the left side. Finally, select the Dark in the Mode option. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.